All right, so you guys, I live in Costa Rica. I've been here for
Decades.
a few, maybe like 15 years or so.
Uh-huh.
And so occasionally my family they come down and they visit me. So my sister's here visiting me, and so today it's kind of loud because we're right off the famous highway. We're in the famous national park called Braulio Carrillo in Costa Rica. So that's the highway. It's really nice. So we're here. We're gonna do a little bit of a tour, like an adventure tour. So we're gonna go up on an aerial tram. We're gonna do some hiking. We're going to go to a butterfly garden and a couple of other things, but we're gonna take you along with us so that you guys can see what we're up to today.
Yeah, people. So see you later.
All right, stay tuned. Wow, es hermosa.
So guys, we're gonna go on to this trail thingy here, and I'm gonna get my steps in, people. I'm gonna get my steps in. My beautiful sister Karina again.
It's probably gonna be what, like a, we don't understand. I've lived here for a lot of years, but I'm still learning the meters and all of that. I'm all about feet and inches.
It's like twice, 1 meter is twice.
So it's about 800 meters. So it should take us, we'll see. We'll let y'all know how long it takes us. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour.
I know.
And then this is the tram, so we're gonna do that last.
Where's the tram? Let me put you over. So yes, this is the tram. You hear that, people? That's nature calling. So if anyone want to come out here and join it, you're free to do so. Film, but okay. So guys, as you can see, we're going over this little bridge. I definitely took off my mask because there's nobody here. So we'll see.
It's loud in here, and it's all from nature. Listen to that, guys. Listen.
Yeah, and I gotta watch my steps because these are not particularly stable conditions because they're a bit slidey, even though I wore my sneakers.
We're in the rainforest.
Yes. Oh, it's beautiful, people, as you can see. Look at that.
Hey guys, good morning. It's early on a Sunday, and I'm on an adventure trail with my sister. We're actually in the Braulio Carrillo National Park, which is one of the most famous parks in Costa Rica. It's huge. And so we're doing a hike. So I'm with my sister. Hey,
Hi guys. Hi.
And so first thing we're doing is we're doing a hike. And then
we're going uphill, people. We're going uphill.
We're going up the hill. Y'all know how I do. Whenever I go on anything fun, adventurous, any kind of activity, we're going to the beach next week, you know I have to take y'all with us. So I'll just, you know, show you guys what we get up to today, so stick around.
So people, this is the frog area.
Do you see them?
I don't see them. The frogs hiding from us, people. You're supposed to see them. They're colorful frogs. Where the hell? Oh, there it is. Right in there.
Oh, wow, look, okay.
Yes. Do you see it? All right. So this one is a green and black one.
So this one right here is the Rana venenosa. This one's a poisonous one.
Yeah, look up.
Can't have them touch you.
Now, I found the other one.
Strawberry poison dart frog.
I found the other one. He's right over there. See him right in the corner.
Okay. Oh yeah, like cause he's camouflaged.
Yes.
And he's green. He looks like this, like green and black.
But he's right there.
He's also poisonous. Do y'all see that? Yeah. I see him.
Okay. Where are you, little greenie?
And this one's just the masked frog.
Yeah. Where's Greenie? I can't find Greenie.
He's really camouflaged.
Oh, there he is. No, he's right there. In the back. See,
oh, look, he's huge.
Yes.
He's right there.
He's a fat one.
Yeah, he's a fatty.
Take care too. Here.
Okay. Man, I'm sweating under this mask, man. Lord have mercy. It's a perfect day to come here, y'all. Oh, so we're going to go see the snakes next, right?
Yeah, I'm going to take some of these. Hand sanitizer. That don't work, people.
No.
Do a wide.
Yeah.
But see him up on the leaf. He's right over there on the leaf.
Yeah. I see him. Red-eyed tree frog. Fer-de-lance frog.
This one is a bullfrog. A big ass
Smoky jungle frog.
He's right there.
Oh my gosh, he's huge.
He's a monster, people. He's a monster. Oh, there's two of them. There's one over there.
Oh, wow. Ginormous.
I know. Oh, okay. Yes, Pete. Yes, Pete. Seems like a nice, like lazy ass thing in the corner.
She said, oh my goodness. Isn't it two? Isn't that a yellow one too? Okay.
Right, the other one is prettier. It's
interesting.
Two. See? 2.
Yeah.
You should do up and then pan down.
So this one, it's like because of the flash you can't really see.
You're taking pictures? Okay. And look at that one in there. Let me see. Yes.
Whoa.
Ooh.
What the
Okay, let's just hurry up.
That was a you guys. We're in the rainforest, okay? We hear a sound, we're jittery.
Please, people, listen. I'm a city person. I like nature, but I don't want the animals attacking me. Ooh.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, I showed you. I don't want the animals attacking me, people.
I think this one is isn't it? Yeah. No. There's one that looks like this one. You have to know how the stripes line up. That's poisonous, but this one's not.
You know what, people? I don't care I'm not going to be looking at what stripes you have. You're a snake and I'm out.
Yes, me too. Oh,
yes,
wow. He's huge.
And this one is in the corner. Greeny.
I see him.
Green.
It's hard to tell because of the reflection from the glass. Or they can see you dancing.
Oh.
They can see. Whoa.
Oh, it's a boa constrictor?
Boa constrictor, you guys.
No, people.
That's a small one though, right?
Would be me.
That's a small one.
Yeah, but they get big. That's why his cage is big. They grow.
You don't even have to look for him. He's front and center.
He's like, I'm here, bitches. Oh, you don't go in there. You stay out.
What the? That scared the shit out of me. It was just a branch. Hmm. Okay.
I like it. I like it. Oh,
We're in the butterfly garden, you guys.
look at it, people.
My daughter would freak out.
It's so beautiful.
She doesn't like butterflies.
Oh my God, I love butterflies. Who doesn't like butterflies? That's not normal.
She doesn't like butterflies. They're so pretty and they're
so
big.
gorgeous. Look at that one.
Just chilling.
The butterflies are living their best
We
life.
get a lot of butterflies in our yard. I've never shown you guys my yard.
Ooh.
But my yard looks like a jungle.
Do we go into there?
Yeah, there's steps
Yeah.
going down.
Look at this. Oh, people, this
You can go down here
I'm
too.
like-
You want to go down here
yes,
too
I'm
first?
like the queen. Look at people. I'm just the queen of the butterfly den. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. This is the exit.
Oh, but what's down here?
You definitely flashing your stuff, butterfly.
Wow.
I know, right?
So they have lodges here.
Yes, people. These are places you can stay in here.
It's
If you love
cute.
the rainforest, you can stay here.
Yeah, it's
It's
really
really
cute.
nice.
It's really cute.
I did not know that, people.
I had no idea. So you could come here and like for a night stay. Because they have other activities you can do here, not just the aerial
Yeah.
tram.
I know, but that's nice.
Very nice. You learned something new.
I know.
Because I had no idea.
You know what? This reminds me of some houses in Jamaica.
It didn't say it on the website that they had hotel rooms. Well, you could have a lodge stay. And these are super cute. The roofs and that look like well taken care of.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I wonder if
people.
they're new. Something new.
And I like it. I'm glad they built these. This is pretty sturdy, people. Pretty sturdy. So I like it. I like this little area where you can come get some peace and quiet and relax.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Get a shot of me, my back looking to nature.
All empty. And since you want the bench,
Look how nice this is, people.
somewhere to put your booty.
And
Pick. You pick.
They're not helpful, Karina.
Oh, it's one person per seat. Oh, okay. It really was. Gracias.
People pray.
I did say the seats look super small. Oh, gracias.
So you're putting your, you're keeping your, this one. Oh, you don't need my phone to do the live.
Yeah, get your phone. Get your phone. Ooh, hold on. Okay. Away we go.
Let's see if we can even do a live.
Please, let us be able to. Here's one coming down right here. We could take this off. So this is going to be an hour-long drive. An hour-long drive.
Yeah, no.
Ooh, I like the lighting. Hey guys, so we're on the tram now. My sis and I.
Hi guys.
And it's really, really nice up here. It's so calm.
Peaceful.
It's so peaceful. I can hear the river running. I can hear the birds.
What's the river down there?
Yes.
Hey, bright ass river, where you going?
We're up in the trees, you know, in the middle of the rainforest. We did our hike, and this is the last part of what we're doing right now. You can see the river. I don't know if y'all got that, but It's funny to me that I've lived in Costa Rica for over 14 years. I've been here since 2006, right? Y'all do the math. And I never actually came to do anything in this park. We all know Braulio Carrillo. It's very famous. We pass it on our way to go to the beach. But we've actually never come in here and done any of the activities. And they have a lot. They have a lot. We just showed you guys too. They have like hotel rooms, lodges that you can come here and stay.
They're beach people, that's why.
Yeah. We love the beach.
Yes, me too. The beaches are great. But I really like this.
But
I'm
we like
glad.
to do other things too. And like the adventure stuff, there's so much to do here. So much to do. You can't come to Costa Rica and talk about, I'm bored, if you're coming on vacation, because there's so much to do. And it's not that expensive because there's a variety of different prices. So you can find something that's going to fit into your budget. You can find something that's going to fit into your lifestyle. You can find something that's going to fit into what you want to do on vacation. You want to come on vacation and lie out on the beach, or relax by the pool, or go whitewater rafting, horseback riding, zip lining, canopy. Right now we're doing the aerial trams. You know, there's just something for everybody. And I'm so glad that my sister came and she wanted to do something, and we decided to do something like this because this is different and this is nice and it's fun. So we're gonna be up here for a minute. I think it's like an hour and 15 minutes that it's gonna take to go up and down on these trams. And then after that we'll head out and we'll go have some lunch. But this is really nice. You can't even see the ground.
No, we're in a mountain, people, in a tram all the way up, and it's going up, up, up. So that's how it goes. So
Ooh,
he is going back
like
down,
a roller
people.
coaster.
I know, we're going back down. Look at that. All right, looky, people. We're passing the other one. We're passing. I'll do it here.
We got lucky with the weather, guys.
Mhm.
It's October, so it's technically rainy season here in Costa Rica, and it's a gorgeous day today.
Look at this, people. Look at that. Look at that. That's the cable.
Look how nice it is! Oh, this is a nice shot. Wow. Oh, look how nice!
Para acá, yo le saco la foto.
Oh my gosh, sí. Sí, gracias.